looking at the Braun Series 7 electric shaver with beard trimmer. Now this is wet and dry cordless rechargeable razor with SmartCare centre. Now I shall open it up and set it all up. I have tried electric razors over the years and I've gone back to a wet shave. Generally I've not found one that's quite there for a close shave, good shave. So hopefully this is going to fit the bill. I'd love to use an electric razor all the time, but they just don't quite deliver for me, or haven't in the past. So I shall open this up, set it all up, give it a charge and give it a try out, and hopefully this is going to change my mind. Carry case for it as a razor. Put that there. This is the SmartCare centre part of it, I think. That's falling out there. Oh yeah. Plug. That's the trimmer part. Right, okay, I shall set it up. I'll have a read right through the manual, give it a good charge, give it a try out, and then I shall come back with my review.